The World Meteorological Organization, with the launching of the Global Framework for Climate Services more than 10 years ago, support the provision of climate information to help individuals and organizations to make climate-smart decisions. Climate services also equip decision makers in climate-sensitive sectors with better information to help society adapt to climate variability and change. This is why a team of European and African experts have come together to develop sustainable, tailored climate services in the Southern African region for four sectors: agriculture and food security, water management, energy, and infrastructure. Over the period of 48 months, 16 organizations from both continents are joining forces to create dedicated climate services for making the Southern African region an economy resilient to climate change. How do we do that?
We have identified 8 case studies in the energy, food security, water and infrastructure sectors of the Southern African Development Community region to provide a range of examples where climate services delivery can be successfully implemented. The resulting tailored climate services cover the full value chain, whereby each case study is contributed by a research partner, a service provider partner, and an end user.
We have 8 case studies in 5 different countries. In South Africa, we address food security. In Malawi, we address food security and energy. In Mozambique, we address food security. In Tanzania, we have 3 sectors: food security, infrastructure, and energy. And finally, in Mauritius, we have water management.
We aim to become the main reference for all future climate services projects in Southern African Development Community region by advancing the science of climate services and producing effective climate service delivery.
Focus Africa will become a repository for knowledge and tools necessary in the development of practical and useful climate services to better tackle the risks of climate change. How can you be part of our community? You can sign up to receive updates regarding our work and also invitation to join our events. You can also find out more information about Focus Africa in our website and follow us on Twitter.